Why does your scanner show the P0792 engine code? What does it mean? P0792 is a diagnostic trouble code for intermediate shaft speed sensor A, circuit range or performance. This engine code indicates that it signifies that the PCM has detected an incorrect input signal from this sensor. The sensor is used by the PCM to help the transmission shift properly. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty intermediate shaft speed sensor, wiring issues, TCM or PCM failure, other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Chrysler, Dodge, and Jeep models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.